Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
We are on our way to Squishmallow.
Squishmallow Town.
I am so
Squish
excited.
Town.
I literally only have one Squishmallow, which is really sad and depressing.
Which kind of Squishmallow is it?
I have a spider. I actually got it at that Revolve event that we went to.
Oh, that long ago?
Yes.
Oh.
And I still kept it. I was an originator.
You were?
You know what? Actually, Tila Dunn gave me a Squishmallow like 4 years ago. So that's the true innovator.
I thought it was a new thing.
No,
I'm not here with the times.
They've been here for ages, but I think they're trendy now. But we're off.
We're off.
We just made it, and they're already open.
Oh.
We've made it. We made it. We made it. We were ready. We're going in.
I want the fries.
We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Look at it. Wow.
Oh my god, this is the front window.
We're so cute. Look at all the goodies. Look at the burrito Squishmallow. There's so many. Oh my god. Remi's avocado. Wait, look at the Dumbo. Wait, I didn't know they had Disney ones. There's so many Squishmallows. I'm not okay. This just makes perfect sense.
I love it.
It
You want a
matches
little
my
turtle
decor.
too?
It's so cute.
A little turtle, yes, sister.
I love it. Everyone please hold up your bag. Literally the oldest people leaving the store.
We're closer to the parents' age than the kids' age.
No!
Oh
Honestly, the store owners were probably thrilled, so
They were so nice.
we did a good
Stimulating
haul.
the economy.
It's good for the economy.
It's good for the economy. You should just do it.
Hello, everyone. We have left Miss Squishmallow. We went to P.F. Chang's for a little bit, and then now we're gonna go get some ice cream at Wonderlust.
I scream, you
Oh.
scream.
Oh!
We all scream for ice cream.
Oh. At the glorious Mellows! Mama!
Mama Mellow.
Oh my god.
Dodo
My
Mellow.
favorite Squishmallow's right there.
This one?
No, you.
Oh.
This just feels right. Truly living. These are the perfect nap pillows, so we definitely will be napping. Act natural. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I have made it to the dinner. So we're with Miss Alice and Miss Olive. Look at how cute and iconic they are. You'll be seeing a lot more of them on my channel.
Yay.
These are my queens, my actual sisters.
Actual blood siblings.
Look at the food. Hello, welcome to the vlog. Today, we are trying not to buy black and shop for Hawaii. I hired my closest friends who wear color. Oh.
You know.
Oh. Oh, where's this going?
I don't know.
Baby.
Hello.
I love Roman.
I love you and
Roman.
Is that the thing you hate?
No. We love you.
Guys, Ollie wasn't vlogging, and I was like, shh, you gotta give the people what they want, you know? They want behind the scenes.
Let me hold the flip flops.
Yeah, the flops.
What do we have so far?
A lot.
I love.
My mother's helping me shop for Hawaii.
We're getting a good cohesive color scheme going.
So something's happening,
Green
not sure.
and dark
I'm
tone.
noticing the green.
There's a green theme. The only color I'm tolerating right now. Which one?
I like this one. I feel like that to a luau, like the little
That's so cute.
cute.
I love my videographer.
I know. You have to explain that you haven't been to Hawaii before.
I've never been to Hawaii before.
I literally just realized that it's your birthday, and I'm gonna be gone for your birthday.
Fine corduroy, but they're blue.
Fine.
Look at that.
Corduroy.
And it's your size.
We love.
That's so cute.
Oh, this is cute. I like how soft it is.
Okay, thumbnail.
I'm gonna miss you for my birthday. Betrayal, it's in your nature, eh? The snoots are back. The snoots. The snoots. Snoots. S-N-O-O-T. We're at a sushi place called Sushi on Fire. Not sure if the sushi will be on fire. Stay tuned.
It better be.
Hello everyone. I feel like I need to give you guys life updates. I've been posting non-stop no context vlogs and I need to get it together. It is going to be my birthday, July 5th. Mark the date, everybody. Remi actually goes on an annual Hawaii trip every year and it just so happened to perfectly fall on my birthday. So we're going to Hawaii for my birthday. I've proclaimed this. I'm taking over the annual trip and making it mine because it is my birthday. Honestly, like, I'm not a beachy person. That is just not my vibe, but you know, so Remi is obviously a pro, so she was the perfect person for me to ask for help on what to wear and stuff. So I don't really know what like looks cute in the summer. So we went to this place in Huntington Beach called Jack's Surf Shop, and I kind of just told her to grab whatever and tell me what looks good. However, when I went to go try on the clothes, some of the clothes did not fit. So obviously during COVID, I was eating a little too good. So I definitely went up a size and I'm definitely not in the best shape of my life right now. So that was a little triggering, a little body dysmorphia, if you will. So I ended up not getting a lot of the things that I did grab because they just did not fit right. And I was like too triggered to go get a different size or try something new. Like it was just too much work. So I got these black shorts, super cute. I know I said I was gonna get color, but I had to. But I really like these because they're so soft. I've never felt shorts this soft. If you're a guy, you have to get 5-inch inseam or lower. It is just the law now. The next thing I got were these super cute shorts. What I like about these, me literally saying I'm gonna try to get color. Don't worry, the color is coming. I really like these because they kind of look like regular shorts, so I could like wear these like in regular life and not like a beachy environment, and like, you know, no one would look at me weird. Now for the color, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. These shorts, ooh, we love this. This is definitely for like the pool, the actual beach. These are super cute and I honestly love how short they are. They're from this brand called Maui and Son. So, you know, if you got a man, you might want to put them in some of these because they look a little spicy. Okay, so the next few things I got were from Zara. Sorry I'm not trying these on, but like honestly that would just trigger my fight or flight right now. So we have these like linen pants. They're super cute, like beachy vibe. So the first shirt I got from Zara is this little like netted shirt. How cute is this, everybody? And then honestly, like it goes with the pants perfectly. Next thing I got was this super cute blue shirt. How cute is this? It looks good on my complexion. Wouldn't you agree? When I put this on, it was my favorite thing that I got. And I got some goodies from Sephora. The first thing I got from Sephora was the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. So I saw Alicia use these. I'm gonna trust her. I'm gonna try these because my face without the makeup, super pale, scary. Honestly, I got the medium drops. I probably should have gotten dark because I already have like a natural tan. The next thing I got, and I tell y'all, this smells like Hawaii. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I love this as a body cream. It smells like almonds. It smells like island. I love this. It smells so good if you just want to smell scrumptious. Someone to bite into you. This is your woman. The last thing I got was this Tatcha Indigo cream. Y'all already know I love Tatcha. It is a moisturizer. It has oatmeal in it, which is really good for eczema and like the little bumps people get under the eyes. My skin has been honestly horrible lately. So I've been on these creams from the dermatologist and it has been making me break out, making my skin peel, but I know it's a process, it's a purge, and then my skin's gonna look beautiful once the treatment is over. This is perfect for sensitive skin, and my skin was like flaking and peeling, and this kind of like soothes that. We don't want to compromise skin barrier. Hold on, I'm filming a very special video this week. I'm gonna share with you guys the behind the scenes of my job. You guys will finally know what I've been up to in cooking. I've been so busy, that's why I've been doing non-stop vlogs lately, and you guys will see why soon enough. Stay tuned. Side note, if any of you guys have been to Hawaii and have any tips, recommendations, what I should wear, please comment down below. Like, this is a two-way communication. Besties, I'm gonna need some help. So comment down below, you know, any recommendations, what I should wear, what I would look cute in, you know, DM me links, what I should buy. Please let me know ASAP with the quickness. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. We love a good haul. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I'll see you guys next Sunday.